Hello, everybody. Thanks for coming to Barbara's Bookstore's reading. I feel so connected to you. I know it's virtual, but that's okay. I do feel connected. I do feel great that you're with me. So much that I'm going to give you a great big virtual hug. All right. Thanks, Barbara Bookstore. Hey, before I actually start doing the reading, I want to direct your attention. Take a look at this cover. Have you ever seen panda bears, polar bears, American black bears, and grizzly bears all together in the same location? I know I haven't, and we all have been to the zoo at least one time in our lives. We go to see lions and tigers and bears. Oh my, I'm sorry, I need to stay focused. But anytime you go to the zoo to see the bears, you have to go to different locations. One location to see the panda bears, another location to see the polar bears, and so on and so forth. You know what I'm talking about, right? This cover looks a little misplaced. Oh yeah, The Misplaced Bears by Veronica C. Sharpe, read to you by me, Veronica C. Sharpe. Let's see how this happens. Two days before all of this. 2 days before all of this. Let's take a read. In the middle of the night, a truck is bringing cargo to the zoo. I see 2 crates there. I see 2 cages there. Hitting a big bump, a small cage flies off. The driver searches but cannot find it. That's why he's scratching his head. Oh, right. Sadly, he must leave. A little polar bear crawls out of the broken cage. He calls out, "Mommy, Mommy, Mommy." So scared and tired, he soon goes to sleep. Oh, poor thing. The head zookeeper is watching the growling mama polar bear, only to realize she is not growling. She's crying, thinking to herself, "Do not cry. We will find your baby." Oh. Awakened by the morning light, the baby polar bear cries for his mommy. Suddenly, he hears a soft little voice. "Why are you crying?" There beside him was a young American black bear. The baby polar bear whimpered, "I can't find my mommy." Oh. "Well, my name is Teigen. Are you hungry?" "My name is Bronx. Thank you. This is so good." Oh my goodness, he's eating 2 paws. He has 2 paws. He's eating honey and he's eating berries. That's different for him, don't you think? Teigen liked him and wanted to help. They were different, yes, but the same. So off they went. It is afternoon and the zoo is full of people. Teigen and Bronx must hide. After all, you can't have bears running around where the people are, right? They heard a voice. "Hey, you two, come over here." Suddenly, they find themselves with a bigger kind of grizzly bear. And they were so afraid. They're hugging each other. The grizzly bear sweetly said, "My name is Ken." She offered them lunch, and then they all laid down for a nap. Oh my God, look at this. Fish has been added to the menu. Wow. Fish, honey, berries. Wow. It was so quiet, they woke up. "Thank you, Ken, for helping us, but we have to go." Ken said, "If you like, you can stay with me and my family." "Sorry, but we have to go find Bronx's mommy." Oh. Looks like Teigen is the one doing the talking. Ken said, "I want to make sure you two are safe, so I'm going to." What a friend. What a friend. Don't you wish you had a friend like that? As the 3 new friends walked, they stopped to look at the moon. It seemed so big and low to the ground. that they felt they could reach up and touch it. Wow, that moon is huge. Mommy polar bear was also looking up at the same big moon, missing her baby. Oh, Bronx was leaning on Ken. Suddenly, something falls on top of Teigen's head. The two older bears see something black and white in the tree. A panda bear. Hi, my name is Charlie. Do you want that bamboo? Rubbing her head, Teigen answered, no thanks. I don't think I would want to eat bamboo either. The three older bears are happy to meet each other. Charlie notices a sleepy little Bronx and offers his den. Thankfully, they decided to spend the night. After a yummy breakfast, the trio, meaning three, were about to say goodbye when Charlie decided to go with them. So off they went. A baby polar bear, an American black bear, a grizzly bear, and a panda bear. All different, yes, but the same. Now, because an American black bear, a grizzly bear, and a panda bear were also missing, the zoo had to be closed. That's closed there. And I understand, that's too many bears missing. The zookeepers searched high, they searched low, searched everywhere for the missing bears. It was around noontime, and Bronx was getting tired and cranky. Teigen, Ken, and Charlie tried their best to calm him, but nothing worked. No hugs, no fruit, no fish, no honey, and certainly no bamboo. A voice shouted, Roxy! His friends wondered where he was going. It was his mommy. Bronx runs and jumps into her paws. Seeing this made his new friends so happy. Look at that. They seem happy, don't they? What good friends. The day is ending, and reports are being handed in to the head zookeeper. Suddenly, another zookeeper bursts into the room and yells, Hey guys, you gotta see this. He's the one bursting in. There, all together, were the missing baby polar bear, the American black bear, the grizzly bear, and the panda bear. Funny, they all seem to be misplaced, but not really. The zookeepers allowed them to stay together for as long as they wanted because it was a wonderful thing to see, a new, extended family. Different, yes, but the same. Now, I bet you think that's the end. No, I think it's the beginning.